Vishali Patel, Adarsh Bunyadi Primary School. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Right, let's learn English of Standard 8, Unit 2, LMBB. Learn more, be brighter. Remember this word brighter. Because we are going to learn the activity related this ER word. Okay. So Standard 8, Unit 2. In this activity, you have to write in the blanks whether the object is long, longer or longest, short, shorter or shortest, thick, thicker or thickest. But now, forget all the sentences given in the activity. Just pay attention on the things which I am showing you, and you have to bifurcate that things whether these items are big, bigger or biggest, small, smaller or smallest. Okay, now I have this planter. I have a big planter. Okay, this is a planter. इसके आगे मैंने लगाया big adjective. You have to define the adjectives. Okay, so I have a big planter. Base form of the word big. Okay, now the big will be changed when I put another planter over here. This one. Now there are two planters. So this planter is become bigger. ये big planter है, but this planter is a bigger. इससे बड़ा है. Okay, there are two planters. So this one is the big and this one is the bigger. Right? Why I use bigger? I put ER beside the word big. Okay? So this one is the big, this one is the bigger. Now I am going to put another planter over here. So you have to use these three planters and put the proper adjective big over here. So which one is the biggest planter? This one. This one is the biggest planter among all. यहाँ पे जितने भी planters है उसमें से सबसे बड़ा है ये. Right? So big, bigger and biggest. Repeat. Big, bigger and biggest. Now one more example I am giving. This is a long gun. Okay, when it is a single, I can use this word. This is a long gun. Now another gun I am using, this one. So what can we say? This gun is longer than black gun. That orange one is longer than black gun. Okay, why I used ER? Because there are two guns. But if I use one more gun, this one, so it would be the longest gun among three, among all. Okay, among all, this one is the longest, EST. Okay, so longest, longer and long. Okay, now I hope you all are ready to do this activity. Let's read the instruction first. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences using the correct words. Whenever you do any activity, any problem in maths, you have to read instructions carefully, study it, and then only you go ahead. Okay? ચિત્રનો અભ્યાસ કરો અને પછી તેના આધારે સાચા શબ્દો પસંદ કરી ખાલી જગ્યા પૂરો. જ્યારે પણ તમે કોઈ પણ એક્ટિવિટી કરતા હો, કોઈ પણ પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ કરતા હો, તો એની સૂચના જે આપી હોય છે ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન્સ, એને પ્રોપરલી વ્યવસ્થિત વાંચો અને પછી સોલ્વ કરો. તો તમે સાચો આન્સર જલ્દી અને સરળતાથી મેળવી શકશો. રાઈટ? સો ફર્સ્ટ ગ્રુપ ઓફ બ્લેન્ક્સ, there are three words. Small is, second box is dash. તો here we have to forget these two boxes because in the blank only second box is mentioned. So only single, for single things you have to use pause that base form of word, that is small. Second box is small. Now look at the second sentence. Third box is dash then first box. So third box is dash then first box. क्या है? Smaller, because there are two words, two boxes. Okay, so when there are two things, two objects, you have to put er at the end of the adjective. Look at the third sentence. Second box is the dash of all the boxes. Now here you have to look at all the three boxes. Among all, when there are more than two objects, you have to put est. So answer would be the smallest, right? So in the first sentence there would be the small. In second sentence the answer is smaller, and in third the answer is smallest. Okay? Now second group of blank. There are three trees and the adjective used thick. Okay, so first one is the apple tree does not have dash trunk. Forget these two trees. So the right word is thick. Let me read the sentence again. The apple tree does not have thick trunk. Okay. Now second one. The trunk of mango tree is dash then the apple tree. क्या है mango tree's trunk is? The trunk of mango tree is thicker because there are two trees again. So it would be the thicker. The trunk of mango tree is thicker than the apple tree. Now, third sentence. The banyan tree has the dash trunk of all the trees. When there are more than two objects or a group or a people, we have to use est. So the banyan tree has the dash trunk. क्या आएगा? thickest trunk of all the trees. Got it? Now third would be the very easy for you. Short, shorter and shortest. Arnav. Here three boys are there. Arnav, Yuvraj and Aditya. So first one is Arnav. Arnav is dash boy. Definitely it would be the short. Now in second sentence. Boy in class. पूरी क्लास के बारे में बताना है तो the answer would be the shortest. Who is the shortest boy in our class? That also you have to find out. Okay? Just do the video call of all your friends and search it. That is also your homework. Now, third one. Yuvraj is dash then Arnav. Again 2. So it would be the shorter. Yuvraj is shorter than Arnav. Understood? पता चल गया? Now I am giving you one more homework that आपको घर में से ऑब्जेक्ट्स लेने हैं. बुक हो, टॉयज हो, वेसल्स हो, ओके, चॉकलेट्स हो, और उसको प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव शॉर्ट, लॉन्ग, थिक, वाइड, कोई भी एडजेक्टिव करके वीडियो बनाना है एंड मुझे सेंड करना है. नोट्स में भी आप लिख के सेंड कर सकते हो, बट इट वुड बी मोर बेटर इफ़ यू मेक अ वीडियो बनाओगे और मुझे आपको यू हैव टू सेंड इट टू मी, राइट? ओके, बाय, टेक केयर ऑल ऑफ यू.